How to turn on Meta AI Instagram. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, as you may know, Instagram has released one of their newest feature, and that is the Instagram AI or the Meta Instagram AI. To get that feature, you can just head over to your Play Store right here, and once inside Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using, you can just go ahead and search up Instagram. Now, we want to make sure that our Instagram is using the latest version, so you can just go ahead and click on update if you see an update button right here. But right after updating the application, you can just go ahead and open it up and see whether you already have the Instagram AI or the Meta AI. If not, the only reason you don't have it is that Instagram hasn't released it out on your region yet. So you can just go ahead and wait for further announcement or further updates, and eventually you will go ahead and get Meta AI. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.